ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। अथ द्वितीयः पाठः। बुद्धिर्बलवती सदा। प्रस्तुतोऽयं पाठः शुकसप्ततिः कथाग्रन्थस्य सम्पादनं कृत्वा सङ्गृहीतोऽस्ति। This lesson, the second chapter called Buddhir Sada. Buddhi, the intellect, is Sada Balavati. It is always stronger. Shukasaptatihi is the name of the original text from which this excerpt, this short story is taken. Atra Pathamshe Swalaghuputrabhyam Saha. Now, in this, what is the summary, the gist of the lesson? Atra Pathamshe, in this lesson, Swalaghuputrabhyam Saha, along with her two little kids. Saha is always used with Tritiya Vibhakti. So Putrabhyam is in Tritiya Vibhakti, but Dvivachana, because there are two kids. See, you can see it in the picture. Only two sons. Swa Laghuputrabhyam, then they are very small. काननमार्गेण पितृगृहं प्रति गच्छन्त्याः बुद्धिमतीति नाम्न्याः महिलायाः. Kanana Margena, walking through the forest path. Pitrgriham Prati, where is she going to? She is going to her father's house. Pituhu Griham, Pitrgriham. Pituhu Griham, to her father's house. Prati. Again, Prati should be always used with which one? Dvitiya Vibhakti. So, Prati Griham is the Dvitiya Vibhakti form. Pitrgriham Prati. Gacchantyaha Mahilayaha. One who is still walking towards her father's house. She has not reached there yet. She is still on the path. Mahilayaha. What's her name? Buddhimati iti namnyaha. Namni is the Nadi Shabda. Namnyaha. Shashti Vibhakti. Buddhimati. Her name is Buddhimati. Her name itself is Buddhimati. Mati Kaushalam Pradarshitam Vartate. Of this woman who is walking to her father's house, who is still walking, Gacchantyaha. That is represented, conveyed by Gacchantyaha. She is still going. Gacchanti is the Strilinga form of Shatranta Rupa Gacchati. So in the Shashti Vibhakti it becomes Gacchantyaha. Why is it in Shashti Vibhakti? Because Mahilayaha is in Shashti Vibhakti, right? This woman, we are speaking of her. So Shashti Vibhakti. Therefore, Gacchanti, which is a qualifier, should also be in the same Linga and Vibhakti and Vachana. Mati Kaushalam Pradarshitam Vartate. Now, this woman's Mati Kaushala, her intellect and clever wit, her intelligence is Pradarshitam. It is well explained here. It is well evident. Ya Puratah Samagatam Simham api Bhitim Utpadya Tataha Nivarayati. Now, this woman, who is no common woman, she has done Puratah Samagatam Simham api, and the lion or a tiger which has come in front of her, Samagatam api Bhitim Utpadya. She incites fear, she instigates fear in the lion itself, and then Utpadya, having done so, Tataha Nivarayati, she sends it away. Iyang katha niti nipanayoho shukasarikayoho katha madhyamena sadvrittehe vikasartham prerayati. Iyang katha, esha katha, this story, niti nipanayoho, of the two well adept in niti, in tactics, in strategy, those two birds. This is a conversation, a dialogue between two birds, a narration of two birds. Shuka Sarika, the Maina, the Shuka is parrot, Sarika is Maina. The conversation, the dialogue between, the exchange between Shuka and Sarika, it is told in through that medium, through the medium of story. Katha Madhyamena Sadvrittehe Vikasartham. Sadvritti, good character. Shashti Vibhakti, Sadvrittehe. Sadvrittehe Vikasartham Prerayati. It inspires us towards Vikasa, for our growth of what? Of good character. How does that do that? Let us see. अस्ति देवलाख्यो ग्रामः. देवलाख्यः ग्रामः अस्ति. A village, ग्रामः called Devula. Devula is the name of the village. Akhya means called, named. Asti, it is there. There is a village called Devula. Tatra Rajasimha nama. Rajaputra vasati sma. Rajasimha is the name of the emperor. I mean, the Yuvaraja, the emperor's son. Probably the emperor is very old now, in his old age. Now, of the kingdom's emperor is someone, and his son's name is Rajasimha. Vasati sma, he used to live. Ekada kenapi avashyaka karyena tasya bharya buddhimati. So now buddhimati is the tasya bharya, is his wife. Bharya is wife. Ekada, once upon a time, kenapi avashyaka karyena, by some call of duty, by some important urgent work, necessary work, tasya bharya buddhimati, the name of that lady is Buddhimati, putradvaya upeta, pituhu griham prati chalita. Putradvaya upeta, along with her two sons. Upeta means along. Pituhu griham prati chalita, she went along them towards her father's home. Marge gahanakane sa ekam vyaghram dadarshya. On her way, Gahanakanane, in that thick forest, Gahana is thick, dense forest, sa ekam vyaghram dadarshya, she saw one tiger. Sa vyaghram agachantam drishtva, she saw that tiger coming towards her. Agachantam drishtva, agachantam, it is still coming towards her. Drishtva, after seeing that, dharshtiyat, with a lot of pride, putrau chapetaya prahritya jagada, she beat her two sons. Chapetaya, she slapped them. She beat them badly. Prahritya jagada, prahritya, she having beaten them, she spoke. Jagada, she spoke clearly. What did she speak? Jagada is in the litlakara, in the perfect tense, perfect past. She had spoken. What did she speak? Kathamekaikasho vyagrabhakshanaya kalaham kurutha ayamekastavad vibhajya bhujyatam paschadanyo dvitiyah kaschillaksyate. Katham ekaikashaha vyagrabhakshanaya kalaham kurutha. Now she is speaking to the two sons. She is saying, she is scolding them. Katham, how come you are ekaikashaha? Why are you one after the other? One after the other. Ekaikashaha. Ekashaha. Vyaghra bhakshanaya kalaham kurutaha. Why are you fighting over who gets to eat this Vyaghra first? Who gets to eat this tiger first? Why are you quarreling? I am ekas tavat. I am ekaha tavat. Now there is only one tiger. I am ekaha. I am means eshaha. Eshaha ekaha eva tavat. There is now only one tiger. Ataha vibhajya bhujyatam. Let us cut him in half and then let him be eaten. Let it be eaten in half, so that both of you are satisfied. Paschadhanyo dvitiyah kaschil lakshate. Let us see if we can find another. Kaschid anyah. Let us see if we can find another tiger later. For now, you just let's just kill him, cut him in half, and then eat him. Let us see if we can find lakshyate kaschid paschat. Let us see later. Iti shrutva vyaghramari काचिदियम इति मत्वा व्याघ्रो भयाकुल चित्तो नष्टः. Iti shrutva, having heard this, the tiger, kachidiyam vyagramari, this woman is probably a tiger hunter. She is a tiger poacher. Vyagramari kachidiyam iti matva. Now she is a poacher. She's not just a poacher, she's a tribal woman who actually eats tigers. Now this is the rare kind. Iti matva vyagraha bhayakula chittaha nashtaha. Now this tiger himself got frightened. Bhayakula chittaha. He became anxious and frightened and stressful. Chittaha means his mind became so, and Nashtaha, he vanished. निज बुद्ध्या विमुक्ता सा भयाद् व्याघ्रस्य भाविनी अन्योऽपि बुद्धिमान् लोके मुच्यते महतो भयात्. निज बुद्ध्या विमुक्ता सा. Now this woman who would have been eaten away with her two sons, Sa Bhamini, that beautiful lady, Vyagrasya bhayad vimukta. She was released, so to speak. She escaped Vyagrasya bhayad. She escaped from the fear of the tiger. By what? Nija buddhya, by using her intellect. Anyopi buddhiman loke muchyate mahato bhayad. Similarly, buddhiman anyaha api, in this loke, in this world, any buddhiman anyaha, any other, any, so see that, any is anya, any other buddhiman, any other person who is brilliant in this loka, in this world, because it has a lot of bhaya, mahato bhayat muchyate, mahatah bhayat muchyate. He is released, he escapes from a lot of fear and anxiety and panic if he can use his intellect. Is that clear? Yes. भयाकुलं व्याघ्रं दृष्ट्वा कश्चित् धूर्तः शृगालः हसन् आहा. Bhayakulam Vyagram, seeing, now enters a fox, Shrugalaha. A fox has entered. Having seen Drishtva, this stressed out tiger, this fear stricken tiger, Drishtva, Kaschit, some Dhurtaha, Kaschit Dhurtaha, some cunning fox, Hasannaha. It was laughing. Hasan, still laughing continuously. It spoke. Aha means it speaks. Bhavan, kutaha bhayat palayitaha. From what? Kutaha bhayat. From what? Fearing what have you run? Have you escaped and run away? Bhavan, kutaha bhayat. Because of the fear of what substance or what of which person have you run like this? Have you come running? Vyaghra. Gacha gacha jambuka. Tamapi kinchit gudha pradesham. Yato vyaghramariti ya shastre shruyate taya aham hantumarabdha param grihita karajivito nashtaha shighram tadagrataha. Gacha gacha jambuka. Go away, jambuka. Oh fox, you go away. Twamapi kinchit gudha pradesham. You also go away to a secret place. Hide yourself. Yataha, because Vyaghramariti ya shastre shuyate. Now, what we have learned in our jungle shastra, what we have learned in our jungle, the science of the jungle, that our ancestors, the forefathers have told us, foremothers have told us, ya shastre shuyate, that which we have heard, that woman, that Rakshasa has come, that Rakshasa named that who is the tiger poacher, Vyaghramari, by her, Taya, Aham Hantum Arabdha, I am being targeted, I am being attacked, Hantum Arabdha, Param Grihita Kara Jivitaha, but somehow Grihita Kara Jivitaha, Kare Grihitam Jivitam Yasya Saha, Yasya Jivitam, who has his life energy, who has his heart in his hands. That is what is grihita kara jivitaha. So I somehow held my heart in my hands and I ran away. Nashtaha, I escaped. Shighram tadagrataha. I ran away. I came running quickly. Tadagrataha. I came away first. Shrugala. Vyaghra taya mahat kautakam aveditam yan manushadapi bibheshi. Taya mahat kautakam aveditam. Now you have just now explained and that something which excites me, which brings a lot of curiosity, a large curiosity in me, a great curiosity, mahat kautukam, great curiosity in me, that yat manushadapi vibheshi, that even a tiger can fear a man, a human. Yan manushat api bibheshi. You can fear a human. That is something very curious. Vyaghra. Pratyakshameva maya satmaputra ekayikasho mamattum kalahayamano chapetaya praharanti drishta. Maya, I have seen this lady who is beating her children. Chapetaya praharanti, who is beating her own two children, Satma Putra, her own two children, with her own two children who were fighting, Kalahaya Manav, who were quarreling for what? Of who should Ekaikashaha Mam Attum, who should eat me first, who should get the whole body of my of having after having killed me, who gets to eat all of it. When they were fighting over that, I saw their mother beat them badly, bash them over this struggle. So he is suggesting that they were quarreling of who gets to eat this tiger first, which means he is going to get killed by their mother. After she kills the tiger, only then can they decide who gets to eat them first, right? So it is implied that the mother is the Vyagramari. She is going to kill the tiger. जम्बुकः स्वामिन् यत्रास्ते सा धूर्ता तत्र गम्यताम्. Yatra aste, there where she is, Sadhurta, that lady, that cunning lady, where she is, take me there. Tatra gamyatam, let us go there. Tatra gamyatam, let us go there. Vyaghra, tiger. Tava punaha tatra gatasya sa sammukham abhikshate yadi tarhi tvaya aham hantavyah. Tava punaha tatra gatasya, tava gatasya punaha, if you went there again, sa sammukham apikshate yadi, if she, yadi, sa, she, see the correlation, sa, she, if she can confront you, if she can confront us, sammukham apikshate, sammukham api ikshate, if she can confront you again, along with me, if you went there again, then you can eat me first, then you can kill me. व्याघ्र शृगाल यदि त्वं मां मुक्त्वा यासि तदा वेलाप्यवेला स्यात्. शृगाल, ओ फॉक्स, यदि त्वं मां मुक्त्वा यासि, now this tiger is bound to what is that? If you leave me and you run away, tada velapi avela syat. Now, okay, according to your plan, we both will go there. But in case you escape, seeing that she really is the Vyagramari, having ascertained that, if you run away from me, then velapi avela syat, then that time will become avela. It becomes the time of my death. Avela means a bad time. Whatever auspicious time you are saying to go there will surely become the time of my death. Avela syat. यदि एवं तर्हि मां निजगले बद्ध्वा चल सत्वरम. If you doubt that I would run away, okay, then tarhi Mam nijagale baddha. Then you tie a rope to me and to yourself in my throat, to my throat, nijagale, my throat. Nija means of mine. To my throat you tie something, tie a thread or rope. Baddha chala satvaram. Let us hurry, let us move quickly. Saha vyagraha tatha kritva kananam yayau. Now this is not the dialogue of Jambuka, it should actually be the narrator's statement. Saha Vyaghra, now this tiger, Tatha Kritva, accepting that, Tatha Kritva is accepting that, Kananam Yayau, he went to the forest. Shrugalena Sahitam, Punarayantam Vyaghram, Dura Drishtva Buddhimati Chintitavati. Shrigalena Sahitam, now the tiger is coming along with the fox. Shrugalena Sahitam, Punaha Ayantam Vyaghram. Now the tiger is coming yet Yet again, punah, ayantam. This is the again shatranta form. Ayati, ayat, ayantau, ayantau, ayantah. Ayantam, ayantau, ayatah. That is the shatranta form in pullinga. Ayantam vyaghram, who is still coming towards me. Durat drishtva, she saw him from a distance. This buddhimati lady. Chintitavati, she thought, what? Jambuka krutsa Jambuka utsahat vyagrat katham mucyatam. Now this Jambuka utsahat, now this fox has inspired him, has created enthusiasm in this Vyagra, this foolish tiger, this cunning, clever, witty fox, which has created enthusiasm in this Vyagra and giving him some confidence. How shall I be free from him? Katham mucyatam, how should I be free? How can we escape it? How can it be averted? Param pratyutpannamatihi sa param later after some time pratyutpannamatihi prati utpannamatihi matihi is intellect, some idea. Utpanna is doing, is to create an idea. Pratyutpanna is to hatch a counter plot, hatch a reverse plot. सा जम्बुकम् आक्षिपन्ती अंगुल्या तर्जयन्ती उवाच. सा अंगुल्या तर्जयन्ती, she is pointing towards the cunning fox with her fingers. Akshipanti, she is scolding him. Jambukam Akshipanti, she is criticizing him. She is pointing her fingers to that Jambuka and saying, Uvacha, she said, Rere dhurtatvaya dattam mahyam vyagratvayam pura vishwasyadhyaikamaniya kathanyasi vadadhana. Rere dhurtatvaya dattam mahyam vyagratvayam pura. Rere dhurta, O cunning fox, tvaya pura. Before, you had given me 3 tigers. You had brought to me 3 tigers. Vyaghratrayam mahyam dattam. You gave me 3 tigers like this before. Vishwasya adya ekamaniya katham yasi vadadhuna. But having believed in you, I came today again, thinking that you would give me 3 more tigers today. But adya Vishwasya adya ekam aniya. You have brought, having brought only one of them, you have brought along with you only one tiger like this. Having tied yourself to the neck, you brought only one tiger. Katham yasi vadadhuna, how can you run away today now? Vada adhuna. Now tell me, give me an answer. Vada adhuna. इत्युक्त्वा धाविता तूर्णं व्याघ्रमारी भयंकर व्याघ्रोऽपि सहसा नष्टः गलबद्धशृगालकः. इत्युक्त्वा धाविता तूर्णं व्याघ्रमारी भयंकर व्याघ्रोऽपि सहसा नष्टः गलबद्धशृगालकः. इत्युक्त्वा, having said that, तूर्णं धाविता व्याघ्रमारी भयंकर, she herself started running and chasing them, chasing the fox and the tiger. Dhavita, Turnam, she started taking quick steps. Vyagramari, Bhayankara, this fear-causing Bhayankara Vyagramari, the tiger poacher. When she did that, Sahasa, immediately, quickly, impulsively, Vyagraha api nashtaha. The Vyagra also ran away quickly and he disappeared. Galabadha Shrigalakaha, along with the Shrigala, the fox which was tied to his neck. Tied is Baddha, Gala to his neck. The fox which was tied to his neck, along with it, Kaha, Saha, Vyagraha, Sahasa, Nashtaha, he ran away. Evam prakarena buddhimati vyagrajat bhayat punarapi mukta abhavat. So, evam prakarena, in this way, by this method, Buddhimati, this lady called Buddhimati, Vyagrajat Bhayat, Vyagrena Jatam, Vyagrajatam, Athava Vyagrat Ja, jatam, jayate, vyagrat jayate, that which is born from a tiger. That fear which is born from a tiger is vyagrajat bhayat. From that, punarapi mukta abhavad. She again became free. She averted the fear. She averted the trouble. Abhavat. Atah eva uchyate. Therefore, it is said, Buddhir balavati tanvi sarvakaryeshu sarvada. Tanvi, here it should be a dirghas ikara. Buddhi balavati tanvi sarvakaryeshu sarvada. Sarvakaryeshu, in every action, in whatever circumstances, whichever situations that we come across, sarvada, for all times to come, buddhi eva tanvi buddhi eva balavati. Tanvi is a sharp, a thin, um, that which is very as sharp as a knife, which can dissect and dissect and find out, hatch plots, can quickly find answers. That is a tanvi buddhi sarvada balavati. It is forever stronger, balavati. It always has the strength and capability. So this story is probably that you have understood. The when she was when she was faced with the problem of the tiger, if she had panicked and run away, the tiger would have for sure chased them down and eaten all the three of them. And consider the two putras to be a dessert kind of dish. But she used her intellect, she used her wit, she used her words cleverly, she used them artistically. And when, even in fact, in the second time when the fox came, she implied that the fox had brought the tiger twice before, maybe once or twice before, and he had every time brought three tigers at a time. But this time, since he has brought only one, she is going to kill him also and ask answers from him. So now, what does that mean? That the tiger should think that what she is saying is the truth. And in fact, this fox has cunningly brought him to the Vyagramari herself. So therefore, when she started chasing him herself with, and she started chasing him with quick steps, the tiger, of course, which is faster, which is quicker, it ran away along with the fox, dragging the fox along with him. Therefore, she became free of the trouble. Dhanyavadaha.